Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about Switch Joy-Cons that are not charging. I'll be going over some easy fixes in this very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. There are 4 fixes that I'm going to be outlining, and I'm going to start off with sort of the easiest one and work my way to sort of the more complex one, but honestly, they're all super easy, and they're all worth trying, and honestly, each one will only take you like probably less than a minute, so you can try all of them out in just a few minutes, and hopefully they work for you. So without further ado, we're going to get into the 4 fixes that you should try out. Number one is remove and reinsert the Joy-Cons, okay? So if they're not charging, sometimes it just might be a connectivity issue. So you can literally just remove the Joy-Cons, okay? And then just reinsert them. That's all. Literally remove them and reinsert them and make sure you hear the click. Just like that. You want to feel and hear that click. Just like that, okay? So it's literally that simple. Sometimes it's just a simple connectivity issue, and maybe you thought you put them in properly, but in reality, they just didn't make the proper connection. So by removing and reinserting them, you can try and get them to get the proper connection. Hopefully they will charge. Also, you might even want to wipe them down with a microfiber cloth. So like you can take it out, you can wipe it down with a dry microfiber cloth on the actual Joy-Con and on the rail, and then you can put it back in place. Just a dry microfiber cloth is enough most of the time to just get rid of any dirt or debris or dust that might be causing any obstructions. So a dry microfiber cloth in between removing them and reinserting them is also a key factor. So that's number 1. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is make sure the Switch is fully charged or charged sufficiently enough. And that's because the Joy-Cons are only designed to charge when the console has enough power. So if you're trying to charge your Joy-Cons and your Nintendo Switch is at a very low power level, then they're probably not going to charge. So basically, make sure the console has sufficient power, and then it should charge the Joy-Cons, or else it probably won't charge the Joy-Cons if it's low on power. I say you should make sure it's fully charged, because in this way, you know you've done all that you can to get it to charge the Joy-Cons. But even if it's charged decently, the console should still charge those Joy-Cons. Like I said, it's just a matter of making sure that the console has enough power, because then it can charge up the Joy-Cons when they're connected. Moving on to number 3. So just to clarify, for number 2, you ideally want to make sure that the Switch is fully charged, but at least, even if you're not going to make sure it's fully charged, at least make sure the console has enough power, has sufficient power, and it's charged enough. Because as long as it's charged enough, it should transfer the charging to the Joy-Cons and start charging the Joy-Cons when they're attached. All right, moving on to number 3. So for number 3, we have restart the console. Sometimes we think it's a problem with the Joy-Cons, but maybe it's a problem with the console. By restarting the console, you're going to give it a little bit of a sort of like a restart or a refresh, and sometimes it's more than enough to just fix whatever glitch is causing the Joy-Cons to not charge. So restarting the console is something that's so simple, and I would highly recommend it, because it has a good chance of fixing whatever glitch or problem is causing the Joy-Cons not to charge. Last but not least is number 4. Number 4 is going to be connected to the dock. So sometimes connecting it to the dock will just, fix whatever issue it's causing, whatever issue it's experiencing, I should say, or whatever issue is causing the Joy-Cons not to charge. I have never experienced this problem, but from what I read and from what I understand, some people have connected their Switch to the dock, and it's ended up charging the Joy-Cons. So if your Joy-Cons are attached and they're not charging, and your Switch has enough power, connect it to the dock and then see if that starts charging the Joy-Cons. If when you connect it to the dock, it starts charging the Joy-Cons, then obviously there's a little bit of a deeper rooted problem with the charging system. But you can look into it further. At least you have enough information to be able to charge the Joy-Cons for now, and then you can look into it further to get to the bottom of the problem and find a proper solution for the long term. And that is truly it. Hopefully you can use these sort of fixes and these tips to get your Joy-Cons to charge once again. And that's truly it. I got nothing else to say for this video tutorial, so we're going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.